Today we're going to be looking at the shelter logic and how it held out over a wet snowstorm. We got roughly, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches. Judging from the top of the bird feeder over there, that's got to be 6 inches, but looks like 4 or 5 on top of this. A lot of it's already blown off on the side. Let's go inside and see how it held out. Oh, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's sagging too much, a little bit, as to be expected. That's what it looks like up top. It looks like it's... Oh, I hardly touched that and it went right off. It slid right down. The frame looks fine. This thing looks pretty rugged, to be honest with you. Like I said, a little bit of sag, but not terrible. So I'm going to go ahead now and just bump this stuff off. Better safe than sorry. I apologize for the light if it's dark. I don't have the door set up for this tent yet. Oh yeah. Slides right off. So all I'm using is it's like a car cleaner for your snow. It's all spongy, so it's not going to be, there's no metal parts or wood parts to rip the canvas. Seems to slide right off. Which is good. Imagine if you got a little heater in here. That would help too. Wouldn't be tough to do. Just make sure there's no poisonous fumes. So as this heavy snow is sliding off, it doesn't seem to be making huge ripples. I would have to say this tent is pretty rugged. And I believe I got the heaviest canvas I could order. There we go. Which was, I'm pretty sure it was 19.5 millimeters. So pretty happy about the durability at this point. For a storm. Yeah, see, you can really see how much came off. It's all built up on the side. No rips, no tears, no stress. Looks like it did before the storm. So far, so good. I'm pretty happy with it. Hope it stays that way.